Facing life challenges under different physics, the Archerfish has the unique capability to integrate and combine multiple skills to achieve outstanding performances in terms of speed and accuracy. To cope with steeper ramp and shorter product life cycles faced by the present SMT industry and inspired by nature, the Archerfish solutions by Essemtec are combining uncompromising, best-in-class technologies such as solder jet printing, epoxy jetting, and placement in a single platform and through a PCB single run. Backed by years of experience in paste jetting, the newly released jet print by Essemtec can jet paste with high accuracy the specific tiny volumes required by the smallest 01005 components and 0.4 millimeter fine pitch. Such paste volume can be tuned from 2 nanoliters up to 8 nanoliters with high repeatability and accuracy. Offering full Gerber file integration and programmable pad filling strategies, the settings can be simply and quickly adjusted to cope with any high mix pad pattern on a single board. Such a system also has the potential to address selectively rework challenges. On the same platform, and possibly in combination with the paste jetting, a specific dispensing valve can be used to jet SMT glues or silver epoxies. High volume with dot sizes as small as 10 mils can achieve typically 5 sigma process capabilities. Up to 4 placement heads and up to 160 feeders can be combined with a dispensing application in a single platform. A broad range of component sizes can be handled with an unspecialized placement head, preventing any substantial drop of speed in case of high mix. The placement process can be uniquely optimized by software to either achieve the highest throughput or the minimum time for changeover. This will be combined with possible double or even quadruple picks and checks. With its specific height clearance, the placement process will not be limited, even in the case of tall components such as capacitors. Archerfish Solutions, with its unique combination capabilities, will help to reduce the initial capital expenditure as well as operation and maintenance costs, delivering an overall reduction in total cost of ownership. Depending on the required throughput, this jet print can replace screen printing for prototyping batch as an all-in-one platform and process boards in a single run, as well as address quick changeovers. In addition, solutions are scalable anytime with upgrades in the field, allowing to leverage continuously on your investments based on your business need developments. Production run preparation will be simplified with easy and error-proof kitting by the use of barcodes and hot swappable intelligent feeders. The training of operators is simple and quick thanks to the friendly MMI and online contextual help, preventing the waste of time in case of manpower turnover. Finally, all Archerfish solutions can be integrated to a global management system, such as ERP, MES, and so on. Full traceability files can be produced, and all data is stored under an SQL format. Archerfish Solutions by Essemtec are unique and powerful means to succeed with the present and future challenges of the SMT industry. You like the Archerfish solutions? Just contact us for more details and demonstrations. Thanks for your attention. Hope to hear from you soon.